Hey ladies, so I want to share with you 4 nude lip combos that I really like. I get questions so much about my nude lips because I wear so many different variations and they may all look the same at some point in time, but trust me when I tell you, I have a lot. I'm only gonna show you 4, but I do have a lot. I'm looking at more and I'm like, these should have made the cut. These should have made the cut. But these are, I'm going to show you 2 that are really more of my newer ones. And then I have some that's like my staples that I kind of like just repurchase and stuff like that. So first up, we got here, this is my newest gal here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury combo that I have. I like, one thing about me, I like to get, if I'm going to get a lipstick from a brand, I like to get a lip gloss and a lip pencil to kind of see like what I'm gonna like and how it's gonna look on me. So right now this is exactly what I have on. To me, this is a little bit more on the it's real, it's just like, it's nude, but it's like blending in with my skin because this lip pencil is called Foxy Brown. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna take my sleeve up a little bit. So this one here, I'm just gonna, you probably can't even see it. Can you see it? There it goes right there. Foxy Brown. This reminds me, I'm just going to be so transparent, of NYX Brown. It's a regular brown lip pencil. Now, is it worth the price point if you can get it from NYX? No, you can get it from NYX. So, yeah. This here is called Yes Honey. This is their nude lipstick. The lipstick is nice. I'm not going to deny that. But again, this nude, as you guys can see, it's really blending in with my skin. Okay, so that's how it looks, the way it looks on me, because even though this right here is lighter than my skin tone, it's just really light. Can you see it? It's right there, but it's nice. So now if you are maybe a few shades darker than me or a few shades lighter than me, it will give you a different hue. If you are my skin tone, give or take, this is what you're going to be working with. Now, this is just a regular little gloss. This is nothing fancy. This is called their Rose. And it's nothing. It's just clear. It's just clear. So this is how it looks when it's all meshed together. Okay. I don't have any wipes in here. So, yeah. Then I'm going to go here. I think this will look a little bit better if I just start over here. So next up, this is my baby right here. I ain't going to lie to you. This is the Anastasia. This is this little combo right here. I love this combo. This here is called Molted. This is the lip pencil. Okay. She's definitely dark. Okay. And she's giving what she needs to give. And here is the warm taupe. Now all these lipstick, like, but oh, I'm about to break my lipstick, go on like butter. Do you see that right there? This is I keep this one in my purse. I just started to do that because I had to learn. Keep your lipstick in your purse. And this one right here is called Caramel. I got this to go over, y'all. This is how your combo is supposed to look like. Your gloss needs to have a little oomph to it as well. I'm not sure if you could tell. Let me go up here a little bit. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, if I would have had this on, you would have definitely noticed it a little bit more because the lipstick is definitely more on the lighter side. It's more nudie. Okay, next up, you're gonna do Sephora collection. Now, believe it or not, Sephora collection has some really nice lip products. All their products are pretty good. You know, there's to be on skincare, foundation, all that. We focus on lips now. See, I'm rearing off. The best pencil on earth, Molasses, y'all. When I tell you, you're looking for a brown lip pencil, okay, you can see the difference, right? This is more a cool. This is more. This is it. Okay. This is called Molasses, and it's retractable. So you just gotta turn the little bottom up, and it comes up. And I like this, nice and cute. A little bit too big for me to carry in my purse, but nevertheless I like it. You know, it's a little bit the same. The Charlotte Tilbury is even shorter, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's even shorter. But I like more those that can go on the purse. This is a little bit too big. You pulling this out like you about to write a note. That's what this is. So let's start here. So this is the Sephora number, what number is this? Number 7. This is one in their collection. Okay, you see how nudie that is getting? Yeah, we like that. This is number 7. This is in their collection with the little paintings on the cover. Buxom White Russian, y'all. This is a classic. I mean, for years we've all worn White Russian, and we're still wearing White Russian. Get you some. And here we go. Now that's a nude lip for your tail right there. You see that? That gloss you can wear on its own depending on your skin tone, but if not, a nice lip pencil will offset it if it's looking too, like your mouth might look like, you know, white or something like that. The lip pencil will bring it down, but this is another good little combo right here. Oof. Next up, we're gonna go back in with the molasses. I gotta, you know, gotta keep it going. This is another Sephora collection, and I have everything linked down below, or I'll have it in the YouTube shop so you guys can see. And then we have, I'm not sure if they still selling these lipstick type glosses. This one is in, I can't even tell, but I'll have it for you down at the, you know, in the bottom. This one is more a peachy, if you can see. Okay, really nice, goes on smooth. It's like a lip gloss lipstick, so it goes on really smooth, really glossy, but you gotta put another gloss on top. Now this one's called Yes Honey as well. Is it Yes Honey? Yes Honey. This is the gloss from Sephora. This is their gloss, and you put this on top. Ooh, girl, you probably can't even see, but this is more peachy tone, pink peachy, and then with that creamy, the mixture, so nice. And then with that lip pencil to kind of offset that, to give it that nice let me tell you something. You guys know I love me a good nude lip. I ain't gonna steer you wrong. I got you right here, and I got you right here. This one here, like I said, this is one I have on right now, and this is just a little bit more, you know, more neutral tone. But yeah, let me know which one you like the best. I was gonna like put them on and show you, so you know what, my lips will be a disaster, so we're not gonna do that. But you guys get the gist. You guys probably seen these shades before by your being in Sephora or anywhere, or like, you know, yeah, Sephora's this, but Ulta does sell no, Ulta does not sell Charlotte Tilbury. So Sephora it is, y'all. So let me know which one you like. Let me know which ones you're thinking about getting, and which ones do you have, because I know you got some.